John Okafor was born on 17th October 1961. He was from Umunneku in Nigeria's former eastern region, now in Nkano West LGA, Enugu State. After elementary school in 1974, Okafor moved to Sapele to stay with his brother. After his father died in Sapele, he did many jobs so he could send himself to school and support his family. He then worked as a hairstylist, ventured into photography, and also worked in a company that produced crates. After secondary school, he was admitted into the College of Education, Yola, but pulled out due to financial difficulties. He later enrolled in the Institute of Management and Technology, IMT Enugu, as soon as he was financially able to. Career: Okafor acted in more than 200 Nollywood movies, including Mr Ibu 2004, Mr Ibu 2 2005, Mr Ibu and His Son, Coffin Producers, Husband Suppliers, International Players, Mr Ibu in London 2005, Police Recruit 2003, 9 Wives 2005, Ibu in Prison 2006, and Keziah 2007. Okafor also ventured into music for a short period of time. On 15th October 2020, he released his songs titled This Girl and Do You Know? Health challenges. In October 2023, John Okafor revealed that he was suffering from an ailment that threatened to make it necessary to amputate one of his legs. He said he was struck by the problem while on a movie set with other Nollywood actors and actresses. He appealed to his fans and the public for prayers and financial assistance to cover his medical bills. He also shared a video of himself lying in a hospital bed, expressing his fear of losing his leg. The Abubakar Bukola Saraki Foundation, which was established by former Senate President of Nigeria, paid off Okafor's entire medical expenses as of 18 October 2023. The foundation also stated that Okafor still required a lot of financial assistance to sustain him in the hospital and for his travel abroad for further treatment, health issues and death. In November 2023, Okafor underwent a leg amputation after suffering from an illness that required 7 surgeries. His family said the amputation was done to keep him alive and increase his chances of survival. Okafor died on 2nd of March 2024. May his spirit lives on. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Thank you.